Yesterday I built 6 battery packs, so today I think I deserve a little playtime. And I bought 5 lead acid batteries. Really the cheapest ones I could find. That we're gonna build adjustable power supply. Yeah, because I bought one of those and they were crap. So I'm gonna build my own semi-adjustable power supply that has 5 common voltage setting. 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. And with that we will be able to test basically any e-bike or scooter we will get in. If it's 63 volt we will still be able to test it at 60. 72 volts is just not used in Sweden. So, and for these I'm gonna need a nice little box. And here is our box section. Let's see if we can fit this in the smallest box. Now. Come on. I know you're not gonna fit, but I'm gonna keep trying anyway. This one was also for 4 cell. Maybe. Yeah, baby. That's actually pretty perfect because we don't need that much extra space for wires and stuff. Step number 1, done. Selecting a briefcase. Now I think I have everything I need to start building. I'm gonna have a little bit of EVA foam in the bottom. Yeah, I think that will do nicely. Now they can stay a little closer to the ends. Yeah, that's a lot better. Not perfect, but so I'm also going to use some of these that came with the box. So I'm going to have a little bit over here. Well, not perfect, but we will fix that later. So we're also gonna be removing this one because I want all the wires and indicators on top. I will use my cheapest indicators because the only thing they do is tell the voltage, and that is exactly what I need here. I want to be able to tell the voltage. Maybe you could use just one indicator and have a switch, but I don't know if any five-way switch. No, then I have to have 5 next this way. And I'm gonna have negative over here and 5 positives. But if I remove this one plus 3 millimeter, I will be fine. And there are cells underneath, so maybe a good idea to remove these ones while we Dremel. Now, why isn't Andreas, Dr. Andy, making any videos? Because he is on vacation. Yay for him! I don't go on vacation, so I consider this my vacation. I get to play with the Dremel for 10 minutes. What a fucking mess. So, cleaning time. So, let's check that the indicators can fit. Yes, that was pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna change tools. Yes, that will do, and we need hot glue. I'm gonna tape them and glue them from the other side. I can just keep them close to each other, so maybe we can fit, yes, then we can fit an extra one if I'm gonna extend it to 72 volts. So I will grab an extra one to put in there. So, however, we won't be able to fit 6 cells in here anyway. We won't be able to fit 6 cells in this case anyway, even if you go with smaller lead acid cells. I don't. Now everything is hot and dandy, so we can adjust them a little bit so that they will be maybe a little bit straighter. And let's hope that they are in the right direction. Yes, I'm gonna need an on-off switch so that these lights do not stay on every time. So, I think I can use this old connector. I couldn't find my new ones. This one, Lewis, not Rossmann, another Lewis, another American, built for me. Yeah, it's dirty because I've used it several hundred times. Who the fuck is calling me? Oh, probably delivery. Well, that was FedEx with the delivery for us. Clean. So that was FedEx. They had a couple of Litocalas and Sky RC chargers for us. Come closer. Oh, let me clean that for you. Better, sir? Better? Have a look. A magical testing box. Nice, solid connection. So, now we have the negative done. Now there's just everything else. Let's do the positive as well, which we're gonna have fused with a 30 amp fuse. Yeah, I want the positive to be here. So everything is logical, goes down like that. So let's start drilling. I'm gonna have a little bit of wood. So these are the 5 positive, and I think I'm just gonna do like that, and they should be connected as well. So yeah, I think I can do that. little bridge. Now we actually have 12 volts in this wire. That's enough slack, so we're gonna cut it. And I'm just gonna leave it like this so I can connect a wire to it, or a crocodile connector, or alligator connector, whatever the difference is. I actually have this kind of weird tool, crimping stuff. Now we have a terminal. It's an ugly fucking terminal. Maybe we can crimp a bullet connector, bullet connector. That will look nice. I think bullet connectors are too thin to fit on here, so I'm gonna be crimping these naked butt crimp terminals to make it look a little bit more professional. Just a little bit. Nice. So, and hot glue. Am I crazy or is this gonna work? Let's connect all the black ones. Lots of solder and even more. No, I won't be able to turn off and on. I need the black one to go through here. That's how you should do it. Will it reach? No, it will not reach. That was pretty silly. That, and like that, and off you go. Off the power to every single indicator all at once. They have the black one in common. Negative to this one is gonna connect here along with all the other wires, so you need a little bit more. Now we have solder. Try and make it a little round. Okay, we still have a long way to go, or a short way if you're positive as fuck. Now I'm gonna connect this one and this one. And we also need a wire to go all the way up here. Then we can use a red one so we don't waste uneven amounts. Isolate. Yeah, they are live even if the switch is off, so these are live together, so that was pretty stupid. Can I use black to connect them? smaller ones, but just one. So let's use that one, which are actually fitting for these wires. So, the final straw. Almost lunch. Or breakfast in my case. In my case. Get it? Get it? We should only have one loose wire there. Oh, I had another smaller one for crimp. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, it's fucking actually works. Every single one of them works. 12, 24, 36, 48 and 63. Yeah. Yeah, since these are still powered, all the positive ones, even when this one is turned off, then maybe I should not put them so close together or have some insulators in between. But now we have the negative one here, you connect, and you should be able to just use these ones. And should I do it? So this is my semi-adjustable power supply, because I'm so fucking mad at the Chinese crap I bought. I just connected positively to 25 volts and I have 25 volts. And the amps is controlled by the e-bike or whatever system you're running, so I can't control that. But this one should be able to handle, at least all components should be able to handle 10 amps, maybe 20 or 30 in peak. So we can test even high-powered e-bikes without anything damaging it. And if these poles get very hot, maybe they melt, or it's gonna be fun experimenting with this crazy case. And I'm gonna have something to put over here, some kind of lid, so that no one touches these two, which are actually 48 volt. Yeah, I got a little something. And I'm just gonna have something to connect this one to, maybe like that. Yeah, nice. So that's my crazy adjustable power supply. Now I'm gonna go test it on an e-bike. This is the e-bike that we wanted to test with our shitty power supply that we couldn't get working properly. So where's the e-bike connector? Here's a black wire that is connected to a red wire, and the black wire is connected to a red wire. What the fuck has he been doing? So we will not connect via this box. We will unplug his do-it-yourself crap. 48 volts, it's 52, it's that one. Turn it off. So it doesn't have a display. One of the crappiest bikes I've seen. But this one, watt meter should turn on. Wire the loose wires, probably to the lights. Does it have a throttle? Yes! This motherfucking piece of shit is actually working. at least the motor is. See if I can lift this up. Yes, the motor is spinning. Yes, the motor is actually turning, even though every other part of this bike is extremely worn. We will be able to fix this bike thanks to this box that could actually test this bike.